Greetings, fellow traders. Paul here. It's time for the lunchtime market update for Wednesday, May the 26th, 2021. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check and see where we are with the market here today. So SPX, guys, still green. We're up $9 here today. Hanging in there. Green monthly chart as this week represents the last week of the month because Monday is Memorial Day. So we're starting to see volume kind of trickle off a little bit. We're basically holding above the, or pushing above the last week's highs, right, off of the inside week high. So we're kind of hanging out above here right now. Inside day today, not surprised to see this type of chop here heading into a holiday weekend. So again, we're over the 80 EMA, so generally looking pretty bullish right here, and we will see what type of price action we get here into the end of the day. Generally, it's been a little bit blah, but you can see here we're holding a couple geometric lines right now. We did sneak under the 80 EMA here with increased volume on the 15-minute chart. We're holding this geometric line here so far, so let's see if we can get back above that, and if this market wants to hold. It's kind of rejected the any sort of drifting up here so far on the 15. So we'll see how that goes going into the afternoon. S&P futures, obviously same thing. Increased volume. We got a nice outside candle off of a doji candle right here to get back to the signal zone. So we really just want to see if we can get back over the 80 EMA and get going back up again. Again, we lost the geometric line again today, which gave us some good downside action. We just didn't get any follow through. The key level that we were looking at is whether or not we break below yesterday's lows, and we just couldn't get there this morning. So now the real question is this type of volume that we're seeing come in here, where we're seeing 12,000 contracts, 13,000 contracts, is that enough to bring down the S&P today? Probably not, unless there's some news that comes out, right? So let's just keep an eye on it and see how it goes and go from there. So in the meantime, the MES just kind of working its way, handling its way up, same thing, right? So again, we've got this geometric line here that we really want to keep an eye on going into the afternoon. We're holding that pretty well so far. So let's see how that goes. Again, increased volume on the downside, but folks may just be kind of letting go of a position, a larger position. So let's see how it holds. Again, no news corresponding with that drop. The Qs, again, kind of hanging in there. That also had a drop as well, so it looks like it was kind of across the board type thing. So hitting the highs of the day, hitting some pre-market levels. So see how it goes here going into the afternoon. IWM's hanging in there, so the small caps don't really seem to worry about it. They did have an outside candle, but again, looking like a bull flag here on the small caps. The XLF, I think there's some testifying going on, or supposed to be going on here with the big banks. I guess in front of Congress or something like that. So we'll see how that goes. But they seem to be hanging in there. So over the 15-hour high and a little bit of a spike just now. So we'll see how that goes here for the fins into today. Other than that, we got the VIX on the radar, right? So VIX here perking up a little bit right now, right? So we just want to see how it holds. But again, we're seeing a lot of lower highs here today. So let's see if that trend continues into the afternoon. Other than that, guys, we've got Apple on the radar right here. Really choppy price action. The big one today was Tesla. One of our members pointed this out today with some bullish price action, and folks were able to jump in there and do really well. It's a great part about having a nice group. Folks look at, they see it, good breakout over the signal zone here this morning, 15-hour breakout. Look at all this volume that's coming here on Tesla. Tesla loves it. Crazy tick on this one. We assume that's some sort of dark pool type action. A little bit of pullback and then hit the high of the day. And then we'll see if this will turn into a bull flag into the afternoon. So we'll go from there. Other than that, Home Depot, let's take a look. So this is one that was on our action names list from the bubble report this morning. It gave us a great move to the upside here today. Cleared our levels pre-market and exceeded our expectations. So a nice job there. XOM, this gave us an opportunity for profit. We talked about that last night. I was hoping to get a little bit lower, but it gave us opportunity for profit here this morning and ended up just kind of grinding its way up. So see how it goes into the end of the day here. But oil was generally weak overnight. So we took a look at it. So good stuff there. We got a few chart requests out there. Again, we got Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, guys, up 1,100 points from yesterday on the futures here. Really, the key level, like we said, is holding this line right here. And the upper shadow of the 80 EMA is not, doesn't drive a lot of confidence, right? So a little bit of caution there. Coin. Again, we had a pretty good push the other day, but today kind of coming back in range. So let's see how that holds for this one. SPCE. Nice close off of the inside day. We're back over the 80 EMA. We're starting to pierce the daily cloud too, so that's looking interesting as well. GME, great gap up this morning, guys. A lot of these meme names had some strength yesterday, and when these meme names get strong with this type of volume, a lot of times we do see it pop to the upside there. Another request out there is AMC, same thing, great follow through, and I know folks in our group have been enjoying those, so good stuff there. Zoom hanging in there, a little bit of an upper shadow. Had some strength at the open, but just having trouble getting into the daily cloud. Another stay-at-home name, Piton, is doing phenomenally well. well. Great breakout here over the 50-day moving average. So let's see if that has any follow through, any room up to the cloud. Other than that, silver, let's take a look. So inside day right here so far after a strong candle. So this makes it really tough with these names, these precious metal names, because they'll give you these crazy moves and then just kind of chop around for it. They're the hardest names to trade. I think one of the hardest names to trade. So, but anyway, keep an eye on it. See how it nails that inside day, and it's over the 80 EMA. So good stuff there, guys. All right. Well, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. I hope everybody has an awesome rest of your trading day today. We'll see you guys in the market wrapping. Until then, stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.